Up above the muffled mountain, around the shiny plates, this is shiny time, my hometown. This is the shining place, destroyed by diesel. There is right there. The little girl is dancing. I'm back from Soul Tour, and this is not the East Coast. This is Moby. Your cough all right? This is the East Coast, known as a Soul Tour, and this is my fish. Up above Mother Mountain, below the muffled weights. This is shiny time, my hometown. Now, I know a secret that Burnett didn't know. Some engine named Peter Sam. Peter, where are you? Dun, 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 dun. But only Henry knew. She know, don't she? Yo. Jonathan says she Lacey knows. Who? Lacey knows. Oh, Diesel's on the phone. Say what? Diesel's on the phone. I got a Diesel for you right here. Diesel. It's a sunny day, Pistons. Let me go see where Mr. Conductor is and go past him. All right, Thomas, you. Hey, Thomas, go for a race. Run. Sorry, Birdie, not today. Because you're trying to do what I want to do. Oh, you Peter Sam, yup. Run. Stop. Where's Lady in the Windmill? Celery, cabbage. Whoa! Ooh! Ruffy winter, Sophie. Whoa! What's that doing there, I guess? What? That over there? Whoa! Coal truck behind? Coal truck behind. Yes, definitely. Oh, there's a mill. What? Mills. Coal truck behind. Hey, it's a beautiful engine, isn't it? I recommend this is a beautiful engine. Wait, Mr. C will love this. This is the original engine. Now we can go home to Chinatown. Junior, we can't make it home to Chinatown. Why not? Blessed. You mean it's originally Dutcher? He wouldn't even last. You mean me? You? Mm-hmm. Dun. Where's that last coal truck so I can destroy Lady? He's a source, isn't he? Pretty fast for a tennis shoelacer. Well, here's the final conclusion, everybody. Lady, can you make it past the last goal? No? So that's all you gotta say. Still to this day. Come on, Lady, little angels can make it. Little angels can make it. Who are you? That's why you look behind. Just make it past some bridge, Lady. Well done, Thomas.